Time for part 2 of this white chocolate raspberry brownie cake. So I've added more of the white chocolate buttercream that I've tinted a mauve pink. I've smoothed it with a tall straight scraper, and now I've switched to my striped scraper, which is an 8-inch tall scraper, so it lines up almost perfectly with this cake. Now the key to these stripes right now is making sure you have enough buttercream that it touches the grooves of the stripes. So those pink stripes that I'm making right now go right to the grooves. Do you see that on the side there? And they really fill in, and we don't have any gaps on the pink stripes. Once you have your stripes made, you're gonna freeze it for about 15 minutes. Now you're ready to add the lighter color. I'm using just white on top of the pink, which is gonna work great. I did run out a little buttercream, so I'm gonna scrape a little bit off and then fill back in those last 2 stripes that I need to get done. And I'm going back and forth between my tall scraper, which is nice because it is 10 inches, and my favorite scraper, which is this 8-inch rose gold scraper, which does a better job smoothing. So just remember though, you gotta keep scraping. Just keep scraping with a little bit of pressure, and don't forget, it takes a little while. You're gonna keep scraping. So now with the drip, can you see on the left there, those drips are just a little bit too thick. I noticed that right away, so I microwaved my ganache for about 10 seconds, and now it's falling so much smoother. I'm gonna add this to the sides, a little bit more to the top, and you'll find the recipe on cakebycourtney.com.